Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. I still remain your one and only Progress, the analyst, as I give you all the updates back to back. So today I have a quick one to share with us from Biafra Liberation Army. We've been hearing about those people, but we have not really seen any. But today the commander got a message for us, of which I have brought it here, so that you will also listen to what he got to say. You might agree with him, and you might also disagree with him. It's normal. Everybody have right to his or our own opinion. So let me not waste much of your time. Listen to him and do it to share this video, and I'll be right back.
This is life and direct current. I want to make it clearly for people to understand, because I, Igwe Obata Obie, names are too much, and I am the Igwe Obata Obie, one of Igwe at large. I want to tell our people and make our people to understand that Biafrans is not a freedom that the government can give to us. It is only Chukwokika Biama who created the Biafrans, who that have already blessed Biafrans, that will give us our freedom. Not the country to give us our freedom. We are the one to take our freedom, and these days, I strongly understand the word that says, the kingdom of God suffereth violence, and it is only the violent that can take it by force. These days, we are fully out to take it by force. And I want the people, the nation, to understand, the people that are speaking, we are the Biafra Revolution Army, and in advance, we are fighting for the land, for the goodness of our people. We are there to protect life and the properties. And I want to talk of tribunal ruling of a thing that has been happening, going on ground in our land. Peter Obi, Ibezi nwa for Igbo, but in a been to deka nwa for Igbo. Peter Obi, Igbo nwa for Igbo, mana Hausa Fulanis Janjaweed can I deceive regarding. Can't you understand? Simple game. Is it not that the same government that discharged and acquitted Nnamdi Kanu, that are still holding Nnamdi Kanu, that you are lying on? Is it not that the same government? Can't you reason? Don't you think? You are spending your money for nonsense. You are spending your money unnecessarily. You are spending your money focusing and thinking that they will give you the president. How do you think that will be possible? Can that be possible? An Igbo man, full Igbo man, to be a president of this nation? And you are thinking that. Don't you remember that these people is in agreement, and they are flowing that the agreement, and you are thinking that they will give you the president? How do you think that can be possible? Now I want to let you know this. Igwe Obato be one of Igwe. I want to tell you this, and I want to let you understand this. It is better for you to step back and reason. Seek for your people and look for your people. No retreat, no surrender. We are the Biafran army. We are the Biafran Revolution Army. We are not afraid of any vagabonds. We are not afraid of any man. The only man that we can be afraid of is Chukwokika Biama. Eke Kreligwe Keowa. Onya Onke Puro. That is the only man we can be afraid of. You are just wasting your time. You people doesn't reason. Igbos, what is happening to us? Upon that, all the secret things that Hausas has against us has been exposed. They have been saying it by themselves. They have been confessing it out. Telling you that it is only Igbo man that can conquer an Igbo man. And they have been using you people against your own people. They have been using you people against us. Now look at how they have been bribing so-called DOS. Stupid and element people. Stupid people. Hopeless idiots. Calls themselves DOS. Let me tell you people that calls yourself DOS. Your people. You created the Bubago with the whole pose of them, with a salad of Kobo or Guasumiri, Awo, Mpo. Idiotolani. You created a Bubago, now a Bubago is killing your people, burning down houses, killing innocent Biafrans, and you people are still tidying it that IPOB is the one calling us a criminals. Why we are here fighting for our mother's land? Why we are here telling them the truth? Why we are here making them to understand that we are Biafrans? We are not a Nigerian. Before 1960s, Biafra has been existing. Likewise, I have said it before. Elias, I have said it. That Biafra has been existing before the Nigerian war against Biafrans. Now, Hausa, I want to clear you very well. All Hausas should get this clearly. We are not enemies. We don't hate you people. It is the white man, British government, you can never see something good in life. And I'm telling you, your nation must become lowest in this earth.
Sir.
You people will receive it hot.
Sir.
Look at how foreigners, you call yourself a Briton, and you are deceiving the Africans. If you stood up and tell them the truth, they will be looking for you, searching for you all over the area to kill you, so that the people will not understand. We are only asking and seeking for our freedom. And you have been killing us for a long time. Biafrans has been dying. Even you that calls yourself P2B, remember when the Britain used you? You kill yourself. Mpo massacre. I can never forget. P2B, you slaughtered your people. P2B, you kill your people. P2B, you don't even remember that this is my blood. Why would I kill them in this way? Peaceful people, only that they are moving on the streets with ordinary flag, and you are killing them. And most of the idiots, the selfish idiots, the selfish ones that are looking only interest from the Nigeria, from the government. Nobody bribed us. Nobody give us money to broadcast. Nobody give us money so that we can come against any of our people. I am not here today to castigate any of my people. I am here only to tell our people the truth and to make them to understand and to know the reality. That is why I am here today. And I am strongly thanking Chukwu Kikabiama, whom that have kept me alive today. And I am so much happy that I am alive today. And no man on earth can take up this life.
Yes,
because I still have much to do for the Chukwu Kikabiama, for the restoration of Biafra.
Yes,
Whatsoever you may like, you can call me. Whatsoever that comes to your memory, you can call us. But one thing is sure, and I must to tell you this, we are not the terrorists. We are brothers to those innocent people that you have been killing. And now the gods of the land have rose up with anger, and we must revenge.
sir.
If you like, take up and come. Come with your fighter jet. We are not afraid of it. If you like, come with armor tankers all over the area. We will bring them down and we must conquer them.
Yes, sir.
Because the land belongs to us.
Yes, sir.
Here is our land. We have never gone to Hausa land and tell Hausa land to pack off.
No.
We have never gone to Yoruba land and tell Yoruba land to pack off.
No.
But they are chasing us from streets to home, from home to bush. We have been suffering in the hands of all these janjaweed. But I don't blame Hausas. You went and called Fulanis to come and fight against your people, to come and fight against Biafrans, with agreement. And still yet our people is still misbehaving. And still yet till today, our people never want to reason, never want to recall back from where they come from whom they are. They doesn't want to ask themselves this question.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do it to like this video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and the best thing you need to do is to subscribe to this platform and do it to always share our videos, so that whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first to find. And so let me bring it here because you need to be updated. You got to know what is happening around you. Remember, Progress the Analyst is here for you to bring the world closer to your doorstep. See you when I see you. For me to you, from here I said bye.